Hello everyone, KETCHUP, Namaste. I hope you all are doing well. Thanks very much for joining me today. I'm Jigisha and we are living in USA. Right now, summers are going on in USA. But nowadays, in USA, the temperature is going really very high. So in these hot days, especially in the evening times, I crave for something spicy, salty, savory, yet very chilled thing. So I told one day my husband that let me make some Mexican salsa dip. So today I am going to share with you all a delicious Mexican salsa recipe that is totally free of onions and garlic. So let's get started. So before we begin, it's my humble request to you all that if you like my videos, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It's completely free of cost for you, but this means really a lot to me. And also please do comment down below. So let's start the Mexican salsa recipe. For this recipe, we will need some ripe tomatoes, coriander or dhania patti, salt, sugar, tomato ketchup, Kashmiri red chili powder and red chili paste. It's simple yet very flavorful combination. Here I am roughly chopping the tomatoes and adding into the food processor. You can also use your normal mixture jar, that is also fine, but just don't puree out the tomatoes totally, just let it be a little bit chunky. As you all can see, nowadays Vidhan always like to help me in my kitchen. Sometimes he is such a great help for me and sometimes he is such a mess for me. Now simply just add a little bit of water into the food processor. Then sugar, salt, Kashmiri red chili powder, tomato ketchup and the red chili paste. All the detailed measurements of the ingredients I will list it down in the description box below. So if you have any question regarding ingredients, you can check it out in the description box below. Now it's time to bring all the flavors together. Give the salsa a gentle mix, ensuring that all ingredients are well combined. Absolutely delicious. If you feel the salsa needs any adjustment, feel free to add more or less of spices according to your taste. And there you have it, a flavorful no onion, no garlic Mexican salsa that's perfect for dipping with tortilla chips, or it's a great accompaniment to any Mexican dish or a refreshing snack on its own. I hope you give this salsa a try and enjoy its vibrant flavors. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment below, and happy salsa making. Thank you so very much for watching my videos. I will see you all soon in my next one. Thank you.